Hey guys, I am Anirban and today I am back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the unboxing of the Wipro Smart LED bulb, which is compatible with the Amazon Alexa, and also will be discussing some of the tips and tricks related to it. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so here we get a yellow colored box packing. At the front side we get the Wipro branding and it says Smart Bulb, Garnet, 12.5 watt and LED light, this side Smart Decorative Lighting. Okay, so its MRP is, as you can see, 2590 rupees, but I personally bought it for 699 rupees, and I will be providing the purchase link in the description below. You guys can check it out. Here it says download the app and all these stuffs I will be discussing later on. Okay, so now let's open the box and see what else we get inside it. Okay, so this smart Wipro LED bulb is Wi-Fi enabled, which means you need to configure it with your Wi-Fi via the so-called Wipro Next Smart Home app, which is available both for Android as well as iOS. Wipro claims that this bulb supports 16 million colors plus warm white, neutral white and the white color as well. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, but in that case both your Alexa or Google Home device and this bulb needs to be configured with the same Wi-Fi. This particular LED smart bulb's light source wattage is 12.5 watts and it weighs around 108 grams. Wipro claims that using their smart bulbs you can choose from 16 million color shades. You can even adjust the brightness of your space ranging from 10% to 100% based on your need. You can even schedule the turn on and turn off time as per your need, that is, you can use this bulb as a timer too as well. Now, one important thing is that you always need to keep the main current switch on for your bulb so that you can easily turn it on whenever you want to using your voice commands, that is while using your Alexa device or the Google Home. You can also control your Wipro Smart LED bulb from anywhere around the world using the app itself. which is really awesome. Moreover, this bulb comes with a 2 years warranty, and thanks to the all new 16 million color technology that Wipro has used in its smart bulb, that is, you can even choose different shades of white color too as well, that is warm white, neutral white and cool white. Moreover, you will also find this kind of moods too as well. Alexa, turn off my TV room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on my TV room light.
Okay.
Alexa, change my TV room light color to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change my TV room light color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off my TV room light.
Okay.
So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying these kind of smart bulbs for themselves. And thanks for watching and see you guys in the next